I'm going to put my carving plate here in the jaw horse's mouth, and I'm going to push down on the pedal and push down on the lock, and now it's firmly established. Now we take our log, and this one is really quite heavy, so I am going to drop it and see if I can get it to go that way. Bullseye! Dropped it right on there. All right, now I'm wiggling it left to right, front to back, and you can get a good feel there for how solid it is in place. There's the worm's eye view. You can see there's a little bit of light in there, but that is okay. All three nails are up in there pretty solidly, about 1.5 inches apiece, I guess, and it should be stable. I'm going to show you the tool and the technique for getting it off of there. So you will need some kind of pry bar, super bar, crowbar. Slip it up under there, and you're going to have to get it up off of those nails. Pry it up. Pry it up. Just work it all the way around till you get it loose. Very stable, very sturdy, which is a very, very good thing when you're carving. All right, say bye, Mr. Christmas Tree. See you when you're dry. Going inside. Come on.